eki ekyokuteera amatafari g'omushenyi hamwe na simenti kishirweyo mu kyange kya Rwenzori ubwo President Museveni arikugezaho kushikiriza ebyo ebyaraganisa omwaka gwa 2014 okubasa kugira ngu abantu nabo bakagira ebibayetandikiraho okugira entuura nungi.
This is a project which was meant for the ADF returnees, which was put in place or created by His Excellency the President.
Bamwe muri abo abahumwire ababiri bari mu mahe aga ADF omu district nka Kasese, Bunyangabu, Ntoroko, bundi bujo barebwaho bari kutera amatafari n'ekyooma eki bwa nyuma yo kukitunga. Mushuganisa w'abantu aba Ronald Sakatawa nagira ngo bwa nyuma yo kutunga ekyooma eki kikabanza kubikwa ha polisi ahubwo kugira ngo bakaba batakatungire sente ezakubasa kubayamba okutandika projects zabo ezo kutera amatafari.
I've been waiting for so long, but as now you can see exactly we on site, we on ground, we have started producing bricks. The returnees are here and each and everything has gone well.
Arari basariza Henry nagira ngo ekyooma eki nikija kubayamba okukora amatafari kandi amatafari agagumire munonga okubasa kombeka ebyombeko ebyobuhangazi ubwo ari kugira ngo abantu batara bamwe na bamwe nibija kutungiraho obukugu ogisireho no kubinga obworo omu maka gabo.
These people have hands-on, developed hands-on and make blocks, and these blocks are supposed to assist them to earn money so that they can fit in society.
We don't want target only that, but also members of the community who didn't fight. Generally, what we do, if we get, let's say, 100 reporters who had been, rebels, then we get half of those of the community. 50 will be the former rebels, and 50 the community rebels.
Okurujira aharithoma sikisembo nagira ngo abantu barakurengera kimwe 20 nibo baba basizo kuba baganyurwa omukyooma eki okukyegesa ubwo kuba kubasa kukikoresa omu districts zitari zimwe na zimwe omu kyange kya Rwenzori.
We have empowered them in many ways. For example, where there is a maize or multi-purpose grinding machine in Bwera. In Bundubujo, they have sewing machines. And we give them vanilla to plant, give them cocoa, we give them trees, and we give them different trainings. For example, shoemaking, and so on and so forth.
Arikugambaho n'abantu abo basize kuba nabaganyurwa mu kwegesa ubwo kuba kubasa gukoresa ekyooma eki asimire government ahubwo kubatekaho erisho kandi nabeka bijuka ekabihe nyuma kugira ngo nabo bagire bayetandikira kandi araganise government ngo nibija gukora nko kubasika okureba ngo nabo tubaye nagijura.
We have to thank government for this initiative and we are very much interested to work to partner with government, to partner with whoever wants to work with us so that we can really start business.
Gashakwa Gerard Muhindo ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.